My whole life, I've been passionate about understanding how people operate, how they interact, and how organizations succeed and thrive. And through that, a recognition of how challenges come up to keep organizations from having success. And so for me, by bringing insights and perspectives to teams, it's very fulfilling to see them have these breakthroughs, to be able to think differently about how they can communicate and interact and have success. I'm Dean HEFFTA with Clarus Results. One of the tools that we use with teams and individuals to help them increase their influence and grow their impact is called Process Communication Model. It's one of the most powerful self-awareness tools and communication improvement resources that I've ever experienced. So much so that even NASA used it to create their shuttle teams, and Pixar uses it in writing their screenplays.
The principles that Dean and Clarus has to offer. It hits the mark on so many levels. I understand better how to talk to my 9 and 10-year-old daughters. I understand better, what my family, what my wife needs. But it's also helped me professionally. It helps me in meetings on a day in and day out basis. It helps my organization, plan more efficiently and just tackle big projects. There's a lot of interesting surveys and a lot of interesting tools out there, but this is the first one that I can go right from the workshop or right from the assessment and put it into my daily life.
Whether it's hundreds of people in a corporate training session or 4 of us working on how we can improve our results, the principles don't change. It just becomes a question of how do we apply them in this situation so we can have more impact. The reality is you can't solve organizational problems until you're able to effectively deal with the people side of the equation.
It helped me to understand the people I work with, the people I live with, and any person that I come in contact with. This is something that I wish I had known about myself years ago.
My goal is that people are able to walk away with insights about themselves, their strengths, things that they need to be aware of, so that they can improve their connection, their communication, and their influence in their relationships. And through that, be able to have more impact in whatever arena is important for them.
Before taking Dean's course, there was one individual in particular I was very frustrated working with on a very regular basis. As I learned more about the different communication styles, personality types through this course, and why they were communicating the way they were communicating, and I was able to adjust myself, there's now a different level of respect I have for that individual that wasn't there before, and that's a really powerful thing to have.
When we go through life, we can find ourselves at our wits' end, struggling with challenges that we feel like we don't have solutions to, challenges that we're just not sure how to overcome, and new insights on how we can connect and work alongside people that are different than we are, and through the understandings be able to grow our influence and our connection so that we can have better results with less work.
Any type of training like this, you're looking for someone that you can trust and that you believe, and I think Dean does a great job with that. I think that's one of the things that sold my company, is that in just talking to Dean, they realized, hey, this guy has a product that can definitely be used. And I think I would encourage anybody looking to hire him to talk to him first.
This tool really helps you understand, gives you that confidence that it's okay to communicate differently or to need different things.
Yeah, I would encourage anybody to experience this.